Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing the game and entering photo mode immediately. This saves time versus fumbling with gameplay. Press Options, then choose Photo Mode or use the touchpad shortcut if assigned. Once inside, make sure to hide the HUD and enable basic tools so you have a clear canvas. You want control quickly, so toggle UI and set auto pauses off. This prevents accidental movement while composing. Now you're ready to position Miles and begin framing your shot for adjustments. Now you compose the shot. Move the camera with orbit, dolly, and tilt to find a striking angle, because composition sells the image. Adjust exposure, ISO, shutter speed, and white balance to control brightness and color. These affect mood and clarity. Make sure to try depth of field to isolate Miles from the background. Once done, cycle through poses, toggle lighting presets, and add props or snow effects to reinforce atmosphere. Small tweaks here make the difference between okay and iconic. Finish by applying filters, cropping, and saving several versions so you can compare later. You'll thank yourself for backups. Use the snapshot timer or trigger cinematic slow motion to capture motion perfectly, because timing often defines the best frames. When satisfied, export or share via the console's sharing menu. If the camera glitches, pause and reload the checkpoint or exit and re-enter photo mode. This clears visual bugs without losing progress and gets you back to composing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.